Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 12.23, Essential Strategies Dealing with Excel Dates and Times. Here we have in column C, we have a series of dates. And behind this, it's just a number. What do I say? It's just a number. If you go up to the number format, hit General. So right now, that's 44,578. What does that mean? That means when the date structure was designed by Lotus 40 years ago, they used the serial number format. And the serial number starts with the year 1900 and then increments by one for each day. So today, whatever that date is, go back to just get short date. January 17, 2022 is the 44,578 day since 1900. You're saying, so what? Well, it's the reason that's important is because we can use it for calculating purposes. The date series goes out, starts at 1900 and goes out to December 31st, 9999. That's 2,958,465 days. There's also a 1904 system that's aimed at Apple Mac users, and it has other provisions. And I have a snip here on how to change. You just go to Options and then Advanced, scroll down, and then switch it over to 1904. In terms of formatting, as you can see here in C4, we have a serial number. To change this, a couple different ways. One, you can go up into number, general, then we can go down to date, short date. Long date will include a time. Hit short date, and it just converts over. You can go and hit right click anywhere within your worksheet, hit format cells, go back, and you can change this date. You can hit date. You can change the format any way you want. And if you want to customize it, just go to custom and configure it however you want. If you want to add your own customization, under type here within the dialog box, highlight it and change the configuration however you want.